Wax is dead. Next gen ceramic coating. QuickCure. Thanks again, Wax is dead. Lovely little box. Seal which is already broken. Gives a brief rundown of what's inside the box, shelf life, etc. 50mm, ideal for about two cars, two medium-sized cars. Aimed at people who want a quick turnaround, so mobile detailers, the enthusiast, or professional detailers who maybe want to have that quick turnaround where they've got a client who is limited on time. Inside the box, 50mm of the QuickCure. Lasts up to 2 years. You could also help enhance that by maintenance washes and things like that, by using the ceramic foam, which will help maintain that, give a sacrificial layer. Obviously, Wax is dead do something a little bit more permanent with the Ultimate. Also, we've got some nice little handouts to give to your client. Do not wash, maintenance procedures, etc. within the box what it came with. Couple of nice Wax is dead protected by labels to put into the client's car, and two nice little applicators. So with that in mind, the car we've got in front of us is a Kia Rio 23 plate. It was covered in lots of swirls and scratches, pollen residue, etc. Come in for a gloss enhancement and just a bit of a pick-me-up. The car's been fully decontaminated and it's basically gone under a machine polish and a minor correction in some areas to get rid of some of the heavier scratches. And it's been panel wiped twice and it's now ready for ceramic coat application. Like anything, give the product a good shake prior to utilisation. Get your applicator. Open your product up. Choose your product, your sort of panel where you want to start, bonnet, roof, wherever your choice is. Myself, always start on the bonnet. I've got two microfibers. One which is for the initial wipe off, and then a second one what I use just to give a quick wipe down over the top, try and pick up any final residue. I'm going to apply a liberal amount, and from there, just lightly put the top back on. I'm going to break the bonnet up into 4 sections because it's a large panel. Doors, things like that, I'll probably break up into 2. Wings, depending on size, all in one. Once it's on, we're going to leave it for 10 to 15 seconds, obviously depending on temperature, humidity. Let it flash off and then we go from there. So, quick. Oh, I've got to admit, it's going on lovely. Just to make sure we get good full coverage, let's say I'm going to split it up into 4. I'm going to cross hatch. Already counting down in my head that 10 to 15 seconds. It's a little bit cold on the unit today, but just waiting for it to start to flash off ever so slightly. Gotta admit, silky smooth this going on. Brand new microfiber, first one. Edgeless as well, no rough edges. And there we go. No pressure put on at all. Nice, light, quick movements. Could just flip the other microfiber over, but I like to have a separate one so I can keep track of everything. There we go. Gotta admit, that is exceptional. It's gone on really, really well. So with that in mind, I'm going to continue on, get the whole car finished. Waxes Dead Ceramic Coating. QuickCure. Gotta say, pretty good stuff. Impressed with it, very easy to apply, and the results speak for themselves.